I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed into iCloud and running the latest iOS. This ensures Wallet can securely add new cards. Open Wallet, tap the plus sign, and select Apple Card to start. You need your device passcode for authentication. Don't skip this. Also, enter your billing address and have a photo ID handy for identity checks. Doing this now saves time later because Wallet links your Apple ID, device security, and card enrollment in one seamless, encrypted flow. Once you start verification, follow on-screen prompts to photograph your ID or take a selfie. This matches you against your identity documents for fraud prevention. Next, carefully review the Apple Card agreement, note interest rates, fees, and any promotional terms, then tap Accept. You'll be asked to choose notification and default card settings, select transaction alerts, and a payment method. These steps both finalize approval and configure how the card behaves in Wallet, which, after you tap Add Card, Wallet will activate the Apple Card and show it in your cards list. That means you can immediately use Apple Pay in stores and online. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for quick, secure payments. Link your daily cash to your Apple Cash or bank for rewards. If activation fails, restart your device, confirm you're signed into iCloud, and verify network connectivity. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.